Justin here with another episode. Sorry about the loud noise. I got my heater going. It's only like 30 degrees here in Ohio right now, so we are actually going to be doing our diffusers for our back bumper and cutting our bumper. So we got our diffusers here. We are going to be putting them on our bumper. Let me get this turned around here. So I hope you guys can see that. We're going to be putting these on the bumper. Let me get you guys set up and we will get going with this. Okay guys, we got everything set up here. I put tape on here so nothing gets scratched. And if you look, I've already got my line made here. I actually went from the bottom of the bumper to this line 4.5 inches. And we're actually going to cut this whole section of the bumper off. Get rid of it. So we got our center line here, and that's for our diffusers here. So we got these we're going to put on here. So we're going to use that center line to kind of get them straight enough here for us. We'll get everything straightened out here, and I'll kind of get everything measured. I don't know exactly how far I want them to go over yet. So we got our drill, so we can drill all these little holes. Alright, so now we're going to cut it off here. So I'm going to start cutting down here, and I'll work my way up and around. Let's see if we can't get this thing done today. Maybe get it sanded and ready for primer. Alright. There's all that gone. Oh, and I forgot to tell you guys, I did make it cut and go up and give us a nice round curve. So not only that, we got the back off of it. Makes it a lot more flimsier, but now we got a nice edge coming up through here. All we do is got to DA this, get it nice and smooth, clean it all up, be ready to paint. Okay, on the front bumper, guys, if I can get around here. Okay, what we're wanting to do is cut all of this out. We're cutting this off. So on the bottom, there's actually a lip here, all the way around. We're going to cut this on this lip first, get it out of the way real quick, and then we're going to work on the grill. I don't have a lot of room to move around in here, so these bumpers are kind of tight in here right now. So, there's actually a line here and a lip that goes around. We're just going to cut this lip off, and hopefully we can stay with it all the way down through here. Okay guys, we got our bumper cut, our grill cut out, and we already got our fenders done, ready. Got them all bonded, ready to go. These things are ready for paint. And I ran out of sandpaper, guys. Ran out of sandpaper to get these things completely done. So I'm going to have to go run and get some more sandpaper. After we get it sanded and done, we'll bring you a video of getting these things primed and painted, ready to go. Got our rear bumper all ready, nice and flimsy, ready to go. Knocked a couple pounds off. All I do is have to sand the doors, guys. Got the doors completely stripped, gutted. That's for the driver's door and that's for the passenger's door. So we're going to try to get those primed, painted, well primed, this primed, both fenders primed, and some more parts back there. We got all the rest of the parts that we need to get sanded and primed and painted. And like I said, guys, we're going to try to get this done before winter. We got about 2 weeks before it's going to be too cold to paint anymore. And, oh, I forgot to tell you guys, show you guys. We did get our trunk ready. So it's all prepared, ready to be painted. So we have a lot to paint. So we will, I'm hoping within the next week we're going to have this thing ready to paint. Because if not, it's going to be springtime, guys, and it's going to put me really behind schedule on building this car because I'm not going to be able to do anything with this car until I get these parts painted and put on. I mean, we can go ahead, go forward with the car, but it's just, it's not going to be feasible. I just want to get the body done, get everything done so I can get this mess cleaned up in my garage. Then we could build a motor. I'll have room to build the motor. So that's what I'm waiting on, is to get all these parts out of the way so I can have room to build a motor, because we actually have to build another motor, and that will be in another video, guys. So please stay tuned. Like, share, subscribe, comment down below. Tell me how you guys like the new bumpers getting cut for the car. And we will see you very shortly with a video of getting all this stuff primed and ready to go, guys. Thanks a lot.